Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Google Pixel 9 Pro that is in need of a new display and it looks bad. Let's go fix it. So you can see here that it's flickering all over the place. So if you're sensitive to flickering lights, this might be a very bad part of the video for you, but we are shutting it down now. So the crack came from the top left portion of the display. So you can see there it's also got this yellow line, and the backlight is damaged due to the impact, so it must have been a very long fall and on a rough or hard surface. So we already have a replacement display, the Google Pixel 9 Pro. David wrote Pixel 9, but this is the Pixel 9 Pro. You can tell by the camera design at the back, and being it already cracked, we can get some gaps on display. And just like any other Google Pixel smartphones before it, the Google Pixel 9 opens from the front. So you remove the display, which is convenient for us because it's the only thing that we are going to replace on this smartphone. Luckily, no damages were incurred at the back, so the camera glass is intact, the back cover is still intact. And once you lift it up, there's a metal clip that is holding on to the only flex cable connector to the display. This one is tough though, so no screws needed, but it's friction fitted. So you move it sideways and lift it up. It's quite tricky, but David has managed to remove it. So you can see here the Google Pixel 9 Pro looks more like an iPhone at this point. You have chamfered edges, flat sides, and compared to the older Google Pixel smartphones, this is way too advanced. So on the previous versions, you'll also need to consider the fingerprint scanner behind the glass, but this one is just plug and play. It is already included with the display. So we have the Google Pixel logo now, and it's fast. So the replacement display works good. Colors, backlight, touchscreen is all working. And we'll test if the fingerprint scanner that is included in this screen replacement unit works. So David will enroll a new fingerprint, of course, his own. It's gonna take some time. So we're just gonna show you that the replacement unit works and that there's no need for us to remove the fingerprint scanner from the old display and transfer it to the new one. And you even have the original fingerprint from the owner. So that worked. David is ecstatic about this result. The cameras, buttons are all working. So we'll shut this down now. And looking shiny and brand new as well. So that's what you get. You get a working smartphone and you somehow make it brand new again. Make it look brand new. So we'll remove the flex cable connector and put our own liquid adhesive. And this is not going to be any more waterproof since this is an aftermarket adhesive, but it's enough to install a new display, and you can use your Pixel 9 Pro for a year or two, even 5 years if you're lucky. So that's it. You just replace the display just like that. So Google Pixel smartphones still the easiest up to this point. You remove the display, one connector. You don't even need to transfer the fingerprint scanner module. It's already built into the replacement unit. So very, very good smartphone if you're trying to DIY this for yourself. But the cost of the replacement unit and of course the compatibility, you might order something for the Pixel 9 and not for the Pixel 9 Pro. So that could be a hassle if you want to DIY this yourself. Make sure that you get the right part, have the proper tools, have the proper adhesive, and you can follow along with this video or with iFixit's video. And this is gonna be it. We'll just position the metal clip that secures the display connector and close it up. So if you want a new display, a new battery for your Google Pixel smartphone or your iPhone or your Galaxy smartphone, don't hesitate to visit Sydney CBD Repair Center. If you have any questions on repair services we have here in the shop, leave a comment down below. You can also mail in your broken smartphone if you're outside of Sydney or outside of Australia even. And we'll fix your smartphone here in the shop. Just message David first so we can arrange the shipping of your device to Sydney and back to you. So this one is fixed. This is the before and after. And this still works. Very snappy smartphone. Google Pixel smartphones are underrated with pure Android experience. So that's it. Thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe to our channel. Take care. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.